Hi everyone! Welcome to Tokyo Kitchen Japanese cooking class. I'm Yoshimi. Today I'm going to show you how to make yakitori. Yakitori is chicken skewers, one of many popular menus at izakaya restaurants. It's usually char-grilled, but today I'm going to show you an easier way to cook it using frying pan. At the end of the video, I will show you how I built a menu with this yakitori, so stay with me till the end. Okay, let's get started. These are what you need: chicken thigh and Japanese leek as much as you like. For the sauce, 4 tablespoons of soy sauce, 3 tablespoons of sugar, 2 tablespoons of mirin, and 1 tablespoon of sake. It's very easy to remember. 4, 3, 2, 1. If you like spicy food, shichimi Japanese chili mix when you eat. As always, all the cutting first. So Japanese leek. At restaurants, they use this white part only, but I'm using this green part too. Let's cut it into half, put them together, and just cut it into 2 centimeters or 1 inch. And chicken, remove the skin. And keep the skin. I want to use it when I cook yakitori. Trim all the fat. And cut into pieces. One piece is about this size. Prepare some skewers. It's about 15 centimeters. And you're going to put the chicken, leek, and chicken. And when you put chicken, put it as if you're sewing it. So chicken first, like you're sewing it. Then leek. Chicken, like you're sewing it. Leek. And chicken. Like this. All skewers, so let's cook them. Heat up frying pan over medium-high heat and put the chicken skin first to get the oil. Now the frying pan is coated with the fat of the skin, so take them out. And chicken skewers. Don't touch and just let it cook to get nice brown at the bottom. Nicely browned. But I want to cook it a little longer to create the toasty or smoky flavor like it's been char-grilled. I cooked them for another 1 minute, so let's check the color again. Looks good, so let's flip them over. And do the same for the other side with the lid on this time to cook through the chicken. I cook the bottom side for about 3 minutes. Looks good. Intentionally overcooked a little bit to create the toasty flavor. Kill the heat and let's take them out. Clean the frying pan using damp paper towel. Doesn't have to be perfectly clean, but remove the burnt bits. Then add soy sauce, sugar, mirin, and sake, and turn the heat back on to medium-high heat to cook the sauce. After it comes to boil like this, keep cooking for 1 minute. Okay, the sauce is ready, so let's turn the heat off. Then put the chicken back in. Roll them in the sauce to make sure it's all coated. And Yakitori chicken skewers is ready to go. Time for the tasting. Little bit of shichimi Japanese chili mix. And itadakimasu. It's perfectly cooked and the sauce is amazing. The chicken is of course good, but the leek is also very good. Delicious! This is how standard Japanese combo style meal looks. Rice, soup, main, 1 to 2 side dishes. Yakitori is the main, so it goes here. Plain rice here and onion miso soup or any soup you like here. The sauce for yakitori is soy sauce based, so I think I want to have something that is not seasoned with soy sauce for side dishes. So how about hijiki salad for one of them and some sort of pickles either off the shelf or homemade for the other one. I hope you enjoy the meal. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. More videos coming up on every Monday, Wednesday and Friday, so don't forget to subscribe and turn the notification bell on so that you don't miss anything. Bye!